When it comes to keeping your home warm and comfortable, you need a heating company you can trust. AMR Heating Ltd, your trusted heating experts in London. With over decades of experience, we specialize in boiler installation, servicing, repairs, descaling, and emergency breakdown services. Our professional team ensures that your boiler installation is seamless and efficient, providing you with reliable heating and hot water. Let me hand you over to Alex for more details.
Regular servicing by our skilled technicians helps prevent issues before they arise, keeping your system running smoothly and efficiently. Should anything go wrong, at AMR Heating, our prompt and reliable repair services are just a call away. We'll have your heating back up and running in no time. And with our expert descaling services, we remove limescale and other deposits, improving your boiler's performance and longevity. Facing an unexpected breakdown? Our emergency breakdown services are available to ensure you're never left in the cold. Our customers' satisfaction is our top priority. We pride ourselves on delivering top-notch service with a personal touch. Here are just a few reviews from our customers. The team installed a brand new boiler and radiators throughout the whole house for a price that was absolutely fantastic. They were on time every morning and worked efficiently and in a tidy manner. I am incredibly happy with the work, and they were so helpful in making sure I understood the new system before they left. I cannot recommend this company more. Their work is brilliant and all lovely guys. For all your heating needs in the London area, trust AMR Heating Ltd. Contact us today at 0208 553 2700 or visit www.amerheating.co.uk. Or email us at amerheating@hotmail.co.uk. We're here to keep you warm and comfortable all year round.